Hello friends, welcome to Testing Shala YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to discuss on how you can become a successful game tester. So what are the things you should do if you would like to become a good successful game tester? I will be covering detailed steps to become a successful game tester in this video. So before moving further to get to know in detail about how to become a good game tester, before moving further to get to know what are the things we should do to become a successful game tester, if you are not yet subscribed to Testing Shala YouTube channel, then please click on subscribe and bell notification so that all our future videos will be in your inbox as and when we publish our new videos. So let us understand. So if you would like to really become a good game tester, for many people, game tester is a dream job, and many people want to grow in this area. The game testing is an entertainment area, video entertainment area. They wanted to do a great jobs here with the fun, and they can also earn good amount of money. Some of the people would be really interested to become a game tester. So in this video, I'm going to tell you there are few steps. If you follow, definitely you can become a good game tester. So in order to become a game tester, one thing is at least as an entry, any organization if they would like to hire you, so any organization if they wanted to hire you as a game tester, because game tester these days become a professional role, and definitely they look few things before they hire you. So one is these days to get into a testing job, right? To become a game tester, you would be required a good amount of technical knowledge. Hence, I am suggesting get some certification on the software testing aspects, as well as get some certificate related to different technical aspects of a computer and graphic design or game development that helps you to compete with the other people in the industry. The second thing is, once you get a certification, right? Once you get a certification, the next one is you would be required an experience. So how will you gain a experience? So nobody give you job directly, right? So you would be required certain experience to get a job, right? In order to get that perspective, what you should do is look on the internet. Is somebody is asking for beta testing? Is some companies is looking for some game testers who can do their beta testing? Then you can also participate in those beta testing, right? At least you get a knowledge when you're trying to do a beta testing, because you already got a certification and you know the theoretical knowledge of the overall game testing perspective. So you can take that as an experience and you go and do a testing as an first-hand experience when you're trying to do on the beta testing, right? At least you get an detailed experience, and you will be trying to adopt all your theoretical knowledge and you're trying to put it into the testing that beta game application. Now when you start testing that game, right, and you will get a lot of issues will be there, and so you'll be start logging the defects, where you will be having a good expertise in writing a defect report, right? All those things you can learn, because you can evolve, walk through the game, and you can learn how the game look like and what all the requirements we have in that game and what are the things you should test it. At least you will have a clear idea of, at least you have some access to the application, the game application, right? And you can start exploring that game application, and you can start adapting all the theoretical knowledge which you have, that can be going through the same process which you learned in theoretically, or trying to adapt in testing that game application for a beta testing. When you are able to visualize every aspects of beta testing and with respect to the things you learn, at least you get a better understanding how actually the game would look like. So what are the different kinds of testing you can adapt there, and what are the defects which you can log a defects, or what are the things you should consider when you are logging a defect. So what are the important aspect you should write when you are logging a defects as well. These are the things you'll get a complete idea how you can test a beta testing. Next point is, so you got a certification, you got some certification from some institution as well with respect to the gaming. Then you also involved in beta testing, right? Now you should deep dive further, right? You deep dive further and start looking for a job in the game development companies, because you can talk about your experiences, what all the things you have done in the different companies on the beta testing, what kind of issues you found out in those game testing, everything you can talk to the companies which you are applying. And some companies, they may not be able to offer big people who are asking for huge salaries. At least you can start with a little salary, get an experience, and once the experience you started evolving in the game testing, then you can fine tune your career, fine tune your resume, right? You can start get on to the next jobs, right? At least in that way you will be gaining the complete testing skills, and you should not leave the things there itself, right? You should continue to evolve, you should continue to enhance your game testing skills. In that way, over the period, maybe after a couple of years, you will become a successful game tester. At least if you follow the whatever the things which I suggested, the three things. One is get a certain certification from the well-known certified organizations, as well as get some degrees or certification on game development or computer programming, and also participate in all the forum crowd testing where people will contribute their testing skills, testing aspects as a crowd testing. You can also participate in those crowd testing area. Then over the period, you start looking for the job and join in a small company who can offer you a job with a little salary. Then gain the complete knowledge in the game testing skills, everything you get enhanced your knowledge in the game testing. Then over the period, maybe 1 or 2 years, you get an expertise. Then you can apply whichever the company or whichever the top company which if you are looking, then definitely you will get in a job in the game testing space. I am hoping you guys really got an idea what are the steps you guys need to perform to become a successful game tester. I am hoping whatever the details which I given in this video, you guys are really enjoying the things which I told you how to become a game tester. If you are really enjoyed watching my video, then please click on subscribe and bell notification so that all our future videos will be in your inbox as and when we publish our new videos. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Take care.